In this video, we are going to see how we can find and replace any particular word in Google Docs. So this option is very similar to what we have in Microsoft Word, so that you can replace any specific words with a new one, either for one sentence, either for one paragraph, or for a complete document as a whole. So let's say I want to replace this Clara word with Mike. I'll just copy this, go to edit menu and click on find and replace. Alternatively, you can also use Ctrl H as a keyboard shortcut. So click on that. We'll write the first word that we want to find. We will replace it with Mike, and it's your choice if you want to replace it just for this portion, whatever we have highlighted, or you can replace it for all. And also, in case you want to match the case, for example, some words are starting from the small letters while others starting from the capital letters only. So if you just want to replace the ones that is starting from the capitals, you can click on match case. So you can either check it one by one by just going to the next and previous buttons, and you should see them highlighted on the document, or you can click on replace all and it will immediately replace it for you. As you can see, for a complete document, all the Clara words are replaced by Mike. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.